Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your Decathlon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, it's going to show for you. You click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you click here on theme. When you just click here on theme here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you just click here on light mode here. When you just click here on light mode, then here automatically it's going to change with you to light mode like you see here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.